Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Way to Transform Your Life series. Here we are with part 75, talking once again about problems, okay? Because they just never seem to end, you know? Okay, this one, he's giving us a good solution against most problems. That we're more than what bothers us. We are not just the things that bother us, we're the noticer of that kind of stuff. We're not just bugged by all those things. We're so much more than just that, basically, is what he's really stressing in this part. And this one is so true, because so many people are just like, oh, this problem's consuming me, this problem's consuming me, when it's something that's happened in the past now, basically. It's just behind us. It's something that we're going to deal with in the future. You can't ruin your present moment with stuff that is from the past or the future, because as soon as you do, you're just messing yourself up. You're overextending yourself. It's kind of like somebody trying to hold together, say, two glaciers that are splitting apart. They're just trying to pull as if their body is, can lift a million times its own weight. They're just trying to hold together huge rocks that they can't hold together because they're trying to say past, present, future, I can hold these all together. And he's saying, no, just like let that fact go. Let that notion that we have to know all that stuff just dissipate, and let's understand that we don't need that. We are more than what bothers us. The things that will bother us are going to be small. They're not an offense to us, because the ego kind of acts like it's a giant god, and it's like, how dare you offend God, reality, lightning bolt, and then it gets upset when it can't shoot lightning out of its hands. So we naturally have that kind of inclination. And so it's good to kind of get away from it and just to say, you know what, those things that bother us are not us, okay? Those things are just small things that we are just like, are bothering us, and we're just like noticing that. We're not all consumed by it like the ego is. So that's basically the idea here with part 75. I will see you guys next time with part 76. Let's get talking about this stuff because I love it. I know you guys love it too, so stay tuned for part 76.